Keep an eye on IOC in today's trading session. Well, there was an unfortunate fire at the Hazira petrol bunker over the weekend. Well, there 3 workers have died in that fire, but that has been contained after 24-hour operation. So you will see the stock reacting to this news in today's trading session. If you look at IOC's 1-year return, the stock is up by about 12%. And moving on to IGL, positive news coming in there. The company has increased the CNG prices in the NCR region by about 4%, and the reason for that is there has been an overall increase in the input prices of natural gas, due to which the company has increased prices. So you'll see the consumer CNG prices to go up by around 1.55 rupees per kg in Delhi and 1.8 rupees per kg in Noida. And looking at the counter on 1-year basis, that's down by about 32%. And lastly, keep an eye on NTPC, as the company has initiated power capacity expansion program. It has said that it will be increasing the capacity in Maharashtra by about 3140 megawatt, and besides this, company already has an existing operational capacity of about over 2400 megawatt. Besides that, there has been reports that the government has shortlisted Goldman Sachs and 5 others for the share sale. Remember, the government is looking to sell about 9.5% stake in NTPC, and the stake sale is likely to be completed by end of this month, which is January. Looking at the counter on 1-year basis, it's up only 3.5%.